Hi, you guys. I am going to do a weekly video. Obviously, it's going to be weekly. So, each time we get new content added, or like a new folder or something added to the agenda, so every Wednesday I'll upload a weekly video and kind of just discuss what I'm looking for from you guys this week. So, we are starting content today. So, starting September 16th, so if you're watching this on Wednesday, um, through the 22nd. So everything is due at 11:59 on the 22nd. By now you found the folder that you were supposed to get to, and if you ever forget, just remember that pathway is at the top. And so when we're in the folder, everything that's in this folder needs to be completed by 11:59 on the 22nd. And so I told you guys last time that I would put on the side here kind of like my schedule and how I would do it. So it kind of looks like a lot. I promise it's not as much as it looks. But we got to cover what you would have been doing in class as well as what the virtual kiddos are doing. And so this is what we've got. So obviously you're watching that weekly video here. I'm going to move myself out of the way now. And then it says to open 1.1 presentation notes. Everything is in order just like it is in the slides. So this is the order you need to complete it all in. You got your video, and I'll probably embed it here in a little bit. You've got your notes. So your notes actually look something like this. So it was given to you. These are your 1.2 notes, but I just kind of wanted to explain the format's the same on 1.1. So you got your learning goal. Here is what you need to know before you start. So before you guys started school, I went around and gave everybody packets of notes. And so those notes are all of chapter 1. We are not finishing all of those today, but you will need them. So we're going to do 1.1 and 1.2 within that packet. And so you're going to need that. And so that'll be off to the side. And as I fill out the notes, you're going to fill out the notes. And so as we get started, you'll see what you need to do. You need to complete the warm up on your own. And then you're going to watch this video. And you get to that video by clicking on the word video link. Anything in that pinkish, purplish color has a video link attached to it. And so then you will click on that video and you will watch the video that matches your notes. So your notes look exactly like what's in the video. And so you'll just work through the slides, and then when you get done with all of these slides, you will hit submit. And it just shows me that you completed all of what was asked of you. And so here is, like I said, the links are all in that pinkish purplish color. Pretty easy to spot there. And so, oops, not big ideas. That's what it's going to look like when you open it up. The instructions are on that page as well. So 1.1 notes and 1.2 notes look very similar in format. After you complete your 1.1 notes, it says showing work paper here. So what you're going to do is you are going to, well, it says show your work for 1.1 located on big ideas. So you're going to have big ideas homework. So you'll go over to big ideas and you'll complete the big ideas. It says you need to show your work for half of the problems. There's 12 problems. Show your work for 6 of them. And then you'll submit a picture to me. So you'll end up submitting a picture through here to me so that I can grade that showing work form and give you that 3 out of 3. And then you'll go on to your 1.2 notes. You'll complete those notes, submit those notes, and then you will do your showing work form and your 1.2 big ideas. After you complete those, we have a few review games just so I kind of get an idea of where you're at and what you're understanding since I can't physically talk to you in class. So we have a quizzes game, and this is based off 1.1. And then we have a 1.2 card sort. And so this card sort, it has you let's go to it so you can kind of see it for yourself. Maybe if I can see, oh, here's student view. So it has an addition problem and then it has a bunch of just answers. And so you're going to solve the addition problem and then you drag the answer onto it and it puts the two together. And you can close that out. And each one has an answer. Um, that is not the answer to that problem. I was just showing you how you drag it. So you'll just, like I said, drag and drop it once it's highlighted, and then it will grade it for you and send me your guys' results. And so that's what you're doing there. And then once you complete everything in that folder, you're completely done. It's all due by 11:59 on Tuesday, the 22nd. However, if you finish it early, then that's fine too. You don't have to follow this kind of game plan here. You have 6 days to do it. So if you wanted to complete it all today, you could. If you want to space it out differently, feel free. Um, you guys are working with Miss Haddad to organize all of your stuff and kind of make a schedule for the week, and so I don't want to get in the way of that. This is just how I would do it. Under here, you'll see your Zoom links. So this one is highlighted. So from on Wednesday at 9 a.m. to 9:45 p.m., not p.m. Whoa, that'd be a long Zoom. 9 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. So 45 minutes. There's a Zoom here. I might add a Zoom on Thursday and Friday too, so check back on those. That might be highlighted too soon. But that's kind of what you're doing this week. So you're just working through this folder, submitting as you go. You'll upload your picture of your showing work form for 1.1 and 1.2. Notice on 1.2, that should say 1.2 there. You will need to show your work for all of the problems. And yeah, so that's what you're doing. If you have any questions, email me, hop on that Zoom. I most likely will have a Zoom on Thursday or Friday. Just look for that. And so if you have questions, just hop on and ask them. I want to help you guys. It's weird not seeing you guys every day or every other day. So I'd love to see you on there. But again, if you have questions, just email me. Use that that packet. If you lost the packet already, just let me know. I can send you a new one and kind of tell you how to write on it. You'll have to split your screen, but we'll find a way to get you those notes so you don't have to handwrite everything. But yeah, so why don't you get started? And if you have any questions, shoot me an email.